Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. And this is going to be my flip through of my design team project for Buzz Into Spring for LineDotArrow. Now, all along in this series of videos, I've been talking about the papers that I used, and also that it's a big collaboration and there's giveaways and challenges and all that, and I'm not going to go into that on the flip through. I'm just going to show you the tear sheets for the two kits that I used. There's the Buzz Into Spring kit from LineDotArrow, it's 22 pages. There's the Buzz Into Spring kit by Nonstop Papercrafts, and it's 22 pages. Then as an add-on for each one, so that's going to give you 66 pages from LineDotArrow and 66 pages from Nonstop Papercrafts, is the Sepia and the black and white. Now, as kind of an experiment, what I decided to do was combine the add-on kits, the Sepia and the black and white, to make my project. So here's my single signature book. And I guess I should have brought my board out. How about if I do that so you can see it better? Sorry about that. Not the best flip through in the world, I guess. But I didn't want to have it on there with the kits. So, like I said, it's a single signature book held on by a cord and eyelets. And on the cover, as you can see, is the butterfly wing that comes up to reveal the rest of the cover, which is a collage page in Sepia. Then when you open the book, you've got the black and white image, collage image. On this side is an envelope that I cut a window in. The window didn't, this is not obviously the way an envelope comes. And a couple of sepia pieces of ephemera. This tag comes out. The butterfly's in the window when you put it back in. It opens this way, and you've got two little mason jars that come out. I think this one has a little bee in it. It does. Then on this page we have all kinds of bees. And it flips up. And so you have a writing area here. And then when you're looking behind the flip up is the sepia tag, which they never want to come in and out, in the pocket with the butterfly. I have to go back and make that non-crooked. On the next page is a CD cover. I like the image in there. And there's your card. And you open it this way and there's a writing area with some bees because we're buzzing into spring. And here's images of different kind of bees in different states. Like there's the little larva, little baby bees, and how they turn into bigger bees. I thought it was kind of interesting. And then on this side, you have this circle card, which the circle is the cutout from here. And I made it into a card by putting these two little pieces of ephemera on it. On this side is an acetate pocket with this large writing card. Has a lot of space on the back. And then our magnifying glass with the bees on the underside of that. Okay, and on this side we have coffee dyed paper with three stacked pockets. So this top pocket goes all the way down, the middle pocket goes all the way down, And then the front pocket is just the front pocket. And then we have 3 tags on here. I like this one especially. I like the little kind of the birdhouse thing on it. Okay, and then I stamped it. I got these long stamps from Temu, and there's 6 of them, and they do not come as a set. You have to kind of hunt around and find them. If you do, they're great. They're really good stamps. I really like them. And so I stamped along the side of here. There's a little spot there where it isn't quite so clear. My coffee dyed paper is a little wrinkly. On this side of the page is a different one of the stamps with a large writing area and then a little piece of ephemera. Now this envelope, I cut the window in this. This is not a pre-made envelope. Velcro dots holding it down pretty good, and I can say Velcro because they're the Velcro brand. The thing about this envelope is that it's a specimen slide with our flower in here. Then when you flip it over and open it, the card comes out. When the card comes out, then you can see the flower even better. And then we've got our bee. And it goes on the Velcro dots. Sometimes you have to kind of feel around a little bit. And it goes right there. And then we have this pretty image underneath. And when you take this off, you have a writing area. Okay. And I put a little faux stamp on there. And you open this way and you've got your center spread. And I liked this image under here so well that I decided not to do a lot to it. We've got the big bee right here, part of one of the collage pages. And you open this, and then you have the large writing area with the image. But I really liked this image, and so I didn't put any ephemera on it. And then there's a card that comes out. Come on, card. There is a card that comes out. It looks like he's stuck in the glue. I'll get him out. And the card comes out on this side. And these are 2 halves of a black envelope. So all I did was cut it in half and make 2 flip outs. They're held on by magnets. Oh, I see. The card is caught in the thing. And turn the page again. And this little butterfly's wings are up. Can go up. And of course when you close the book it kind of smushes it. This is a unadorned envelope, except this covers a magnet. And then there's your writing card in here. That isn't the easiest to get in and out. There we go. You just kind of have to hold it the right way. Then on this side is the belly band, and I didn't put a card in it. It's just a place for a card. And then you've got this nice image here with a big splat. Somebody splatted their coffee, but you can put a card in there if you wanted to, instead of just having the image of the sepia against the black and white. Then we have the other half of the coffee dyed paper with the big stamp down the middle so that you have some writing area. You can write over this with a black pen. Then on this page is a really large uptuck, and it says busy as a bee. It's a collage, and you'll see that again in a minute. And then this really large writing card. Okay, on this page, it looks like one of those envelopes, but it's not. It's just a top and a bottom, and it holds in this writing card. You don't even have to untie it to get the card in and out, as you saw. Then on the back page, we have my favorite thing to put on the back page, which is an expandable envelope held shut with a Velcro dot. And then this expands and you can put all your leftover ephemera in there. And then we have our Busy as a Bee again, which I didn't really realize when I did the cover, but I like this right here. And then we have the back cover, which also has the wing, but I don't have it standing up very far because, well, you lay the book down on it. And the rest of the collage is on the back. So that's it. That's my design team project, and I hope you enjoyed it. I had a good time making it. There's 8 videos in front of this one called, well, it's going to be hashtag Busy as a Bee. No, not Busy as a Bee. I kept reading that inside the book. It's going to be hashtag Buzz into Spring. Okay, so you can check all those out and you can make this book yourself. And if not, I hope you enjoyed the flip through and you have a great day. Thanks a lot for hanging around.